leak over here. That's a big hole there, so I'm gonna cut the pipe. It's 1.5 inches right there, so I'm gonna make the whole piece. This is 1.5 inches. That's 2 inches, so I'm gonna make the whole piece 2 inches. So I need a 2 inch by 1.5 inches reducer there. Make the connection there and then cut it over here. I'm gonna cut it over here. Cut it right there and then replace this whole piece. What a nightmare, man. This thing started leaking last night. Always something. When you buy an old house, that's what happens when you buy an old house. You buy somebody else's headache. So next time you buy a house, buy a new house. Don't make the mistake that I did, bought an old house and this thing's been a nightmare. All right, let me go to Home Cheapo, get some PVC and come back and fix this over here. All right, Lady Rody. Sorry guy, I forgot to film it, but I did take the piece out. I got a coupling there, 2 by 1.5 inches. I connected it, I cut that piece out. And that was real bad. And I connected there. I did my best. So, thank you, Steve. Because I don't know plumbing. I don't know nothing about plumbing. And watching your video, in one of your videos, you did something like this. And I just copied. Thank you, buddy. But I was looking inside those. I was looking inside those pipes, and they're real bad. I'm probably gonna have to replace all that stuff, dude. They gonna look real nasty there. But for the time being, just my wife could do the dishes now. I already checked it, no leak, so everything look good. All right. It paid off watching the Steve video. Lady Rody.